Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to take you a tour of my puja unit. It is small but very elegant and stylish, and also it is very bright. It is also well organized puja unit. Interior designs and measurements are also included at the end of the video, so stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's get started. This is my puja unit. It is small but very elegant and stylish. It is also bright and traditional. When it comes to divinity, the size of the puja unit doesn't matter. The important thing is how clean, how bright, how you add more positive vibes. Those are very important. With that note, we have designed this wonderful puja unit. If you have watched my home tour video, you know where I have kept my puja unit, just opposite to the crockery unit. If you wish to watch my home tour video, you can check it out by clicking on the link which is given in the description box. Now let's get into each and every section of my puja unit. It is a long unit with wooden back panel along with the chest of drawers, and also a granite piece laid on the chest of drawers to keep the diyas. This puja unit is facing east direction. We chose this corner just before the entrance of the kitchen. My apartment was a model apartment and the corner looked like this before. We turned out this corner, which is just 2 feet, to a wonderful puja unit. The chest of drawers are our own idea, and storage is much important for a well organized home. Let's see each and every section from the top. We have a wooden panel on the top which is sticked to the back panel. Down to that we have a wonderful Tanjore painting. Tanjore paintings are a classical South Indian painting which is inaugurated from the town of Tanjore. It has a glittering gold foils and precious gems which give a very rich look to the painting. These paintings are with simple iconic compositions and vivid colors which brightens any place. Down to that we have one more small panel which is also stick to the back panel, where I have a silver Vinayakar or Ganesha which is framed. Also a small cute diya and 2 more silver diyas and 2 electric brass diyas. This is the wire of the brass diya, and the electric box of this diya is hidden with a decorative cloth. I have one more small Vinayakar along with a small bottle of oil. Here I have one more oil container which has a puja oil. This kind of container you have seen in my kitchen also. The same container I am using here. And many of you have inquired about this oil container. This I have got from Ratna Stores in Chennai. I am not able to find any online purchase link of this bottle. If I find one, I will put it in the description box. And next to that I have aroma burner which you have seen in my home decor video, which is used to burn camphor and spread the fragrance. Next I have a potpourri, kept it in a glass bowl. There is a beautiful brass diya which my mom gave for our marriage. It's a tradition in South India to give a brass diya for your daughter. Next to that I have a silver plate which has all silver puja items, including agarbatti holder, a diya, kumkumam and a sacred ash also called vibhuti, and sandalwood. So that's the simple puja unit. Keep it simple, at the same time keep it bright with more positivity. In the upcoming sections you will see how I organize my puja items in the chest of drawers, and also you will see how I decorate my puja unit. For adding more brightness and while doing puja, I'll just open this curtain. Along with organizing, you will be seeing the measurements also and the material which I have used for this puja unit. And this granite piece which we have taken from the kitchen slab, and the kitchen granite is replaced with white granite. If you want to watch my kitchen tour video, you can just click the link which is given in the description box. I have used just one drawer in this chest of drawers to keep all my puja items, and rest are kept empty. Let's see how I have organized. It is well organized and all the items are sectioned and kept it on a transparent boxes for easy access. Let's see the puja items one by one. First is the agarbatti. It has no charcoal, low smoke and 100% natural. And it came in a wonderful long container. I will provide the purchase link of this agarbatti. This is from the brand Aroma Factory. It cost 259 rupees for a pack of 100 sticks. Next I have a handcrafted wooden agarbatti diffuser. This is a common one and you would have seen in many places. Then I have some more agarbattis. And have one more from Mangaldeep, and that's a mixed of 3 different fragrances. Each and every fragrances have their own characteristics which lifts up our mood and give more positivity. Next I have camphors which are kept in a small transparent box. These camphors are used for my aroma burner. As these are kept it in a transparent small box, these are easy for me to access. Next I have sandalwood or chandan in a small box. These are sandalwood tablets. Whenever needed, I will just take 2 to 3 tablets and dissolve it in water for use. Next I have extra vibhuti or also called holy ash. Also have some extra kumkumam boxes. I will provide the purchase link of all these transparent boxes in the description box down below. Next in a container I have vasambu powder. This is the vasambu powder and it has a lot of health benefits and it is very good for digestion for babies. I used to mix a pinch of this powder in honey and give it to my kids at least once a week. And for easy access I have a silver spoon and a silver medical dispenser along with vasambu powder in this container. Also have the extra camphor in this box. Also have incense cone or also called dhoop cones. One is lavender and another one is rose. Next I have all puja cotton wicks, also called diya batti for puja. Also have some match boxes. And I have used a dining table cover as a drawer liner for this drawer. These are ghee batti which I have got recently. These are ready-made ghee diyas and you can use it whenever you don't have much time. This is a wonderful product for working women. Along with the puja items, I have few holy books. I have Bhagavad Gita Abhirami Andadi. This Abhirami book was given by my mom when I was doing my engineering and I still carry that with me. And the book is very close to my heart. Andadi is a garland of verses. The last verse will be the start of the first word of the next poem. Also I have a ready-made Naivedya Sambrani. The sambranis and other stuff which are used for arati are kept it in this small pots. This is a wonderful product and just you can use it for arati. I have some extra brass items, kept it in a Ziploc cover which includes arati plates and other items. The things are well organized. If you organize the stuff, you can turn out any small space into a wonderful, efficient and functional space. I have also kept puja items, cleaning stuff like cleaning scrub and cleaning solution. There are a lot of benefits of getting organized. You will gain control of the things what you have. It will reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed. You can achieve more in very less time. You can gain energy and calm from your space. And moreover, you will get more time to spend on what's important to you. Keep things simple. Keep it in such a way that it is easy to access. Now let's decorate the puja unit. I have a bowl of colorful flowers and let's see how I'm going to decorate it. I always keep very simple decorations. I don't prefer all fancy decorations. I'll add more colorful flowers to give a vibrant look. As I have kept all the things very handy, it is easy for me to access with no time. I have kept this battery operated string lights in potpourri to add more brightness. Guys, the agarbatti which I have shown earlier in this video is smelling so amazing. If you want to buy, you can check out the description for the buying link. I have one spotlight on top of the puja unit. That's it about the overview of my puja unit. I have covered each and every section of my puja unit. Next, in the upcoming section, we will see the dimensions, size and measurements and the wood which we have used for the puja unit. Here is the complete size and measurements of my puja unit. The material which I have used is MR+. The color of the panel is Frosty White from HGL. And the code is 21091. That's it about this video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit on the bell icon which is down below to get more updates in the channel. Thank you guys. I'll come up with another wonderful video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.